Hello, and welcome back to English Evolution Step 1. Traveling opens the door to a world of new experiences, but being confident in English can truly enhance the journey. This lesson provides simple and practical sentences to help beginner travelers communicate effectively, whether ordering food, asking for help, or navigating through exciting new places. Greetings and introductions. Name: My name is Sarah. Greeting: Good morning, everyone. Feeling: I am happy to meet you. Thanks. Thank you for your help. Origin: I am from Senegal. Asking for help. Help. I need help with my bags. Map. The map is very helpful. Distant. The station is far from here. Sign. The sign shows the way. Lost. I am lost in the city. Ordering food and drinks. Bread. I would like some bread, please. Tea. This tea is very hot. Diet. I do not eat pork. Taste. The fish is very tasty. New. I want to try something new. Expressing basic needs. Room. I need a room for one night. Bathroom. The bathroom is very clean. Wi-Fi. The hotel has free Wi-Fi. Key. My key is not working. Market. The market is very crowded today. Small talk and conversations. Weather. The weather is very nice today. City. This city is very beautiful. Food. I like the food here. Traveling. I enjoy traveling to new places. Family. My family loves to travel together. Shopping and payments. Price. The price is too high for me. Payment. I paid with my credit card. Shop. The shop is very busy today. Dress. The dress is very beautiful. Size. I need a larger size. Museum. I will visit the museum tomorrow. Flight. The flight is very early in the morning. Taxi. I will call the taxi soon. Bus. The bus will leave in 10 minutes. Friends. My friends are waiting for me at the hotel. At the airport. Boarding. The plane is ready to board. Luggage. The luggage is too heavy. Gate. I arrived at the gate early. Flight. The flight was very smooth. Enjoying activities. Swim. I swim in the pool every evening. Beach. The beach is very relaxing. Market. I like walking around the market. View. The view from the hill is amazing. Nature. I enjoy taking pictures of nature. Staying safe and healthy. Hydration. I drink water to stay hydrated. Sunscreen. I wear sunscreen to protect my skin. Safety. I keep my bag safe while traveling. Doctor. The doctor gave me medicine for my headache. Traveling is more enjoyable when you feel confident communicating in English. Practice these simple sentences often, and you'll be ready to handle every situation with ease. Wherever you go, let language open the way to unforgettable experiences.